Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get all my latest updates. Hello everyone, this is Shini from the TheCyberCare YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run KaliLinux on the cloud. In the previous videos you may have seen already how to run Windows server, Linux server, Windows machine, Linux machine, but my channel specifically is for information security, so I'm going to show you how to run Kali on the cloud in this video. Okay, so if you don't have an AWS account already, please check out the video in the description or on the cards. Please create an account for you and get familiar with the using Linux and Windows based instances in the AWS Linux with other videos. I will be keeping links in the description. Now let's get started. So first of all, you need to come to compute and select EC2, and here right now I don't have any thing, so I'll click on launch instance. I'm going to create all of them now. So we click on AWS marketplace, which you can't get regularly on the regular thing. So here you have to search for Kali, and here you click on select. So right now this one is actually free for the free tier, so don't get worried about all of the prices which you see here. Click on continue, and here I'm going to select free tier eligible, that is T2 micro, so I'll select that, and scrolling down, yeah, nothing. Click on review and launch. If you want to perform some attacks like that, so I suggest you edit your security groups to add new ports, which I'm not going to talk about right now. I'm going to tell that later. So if you want to add, please add, so that you can perform remote level malware attacks or Metasploit framework kind of attacks. You can do that there. So this is a basic video actually how to start this one. So we'll click on launch. So right now I don't have a key pair, so create a key pair name key, click on download key pair, and then launch instances. This is going to take a couple of minutes. So after this thing completes, you scroll down and click on view instances. Here view instances, so you can see them pending right now. So let it come to running, and then we'll connect to that. Meanwhile, let's convert this key1.pem into a key file. So install putty from putty.com or org, I don't know what website it is, putty.org. download that putty. So if you install that, I hope you know how to install. So go to puttygen. We're going to convert this key into that ppk file. So click on load, select RSA, click on load, and then here go to downloads and select your all files from this list, otherwise you can't see that. Select all files, and then you can see key1.pem. Select that, and then you click on save private key. All these things were already discussed in the previous videos, please check them out. Key.ppk I'm gonna save. That's gonna replace the existing one. Yeah, replace. So it's done. Let me come here. So now it is running. You can see that it's up and running for us. So open your putty, and here you have to give that address. For example, you select this host name, maybe it's like this. Select that host name. You can see public DNS here. Okay, copy that public DNS address and then paste that instead of the host name, and then come to SSH, expand that SSH and select auth, and here you need to click on browse and select that ppk file which you have downloaded, key.ppk, and then if you click on open, you can connect to that KaliLinux here with EC2-user. That's the username. There is no password for that, so you can have your KaliLinux like this. Now if you want to switch towards a root user, as you already know, few tools in KaliLinux will only run as a root user. So if you want to become a root user, you can type su, so you will become root user. Okay, so now you can perform anything, but remember I did some kind of scanning on some of the third-party website, and I got a notice. I want to show that to you. Give it a minute. Here it is, guys. I performed scanning on some remote level target, and I got this warning message. You can see that we have received report etc has been implicated in activity which resembles scanning hosts, internet for security vulnerabilities, and security testing, penetration tests, etc. So before doing all these, make sure you apply for this pen testing application. I mean, without that, if you do any kind of stuff, your free account will get banned or something like that after certain trials. So don't do scannings or something like that. Okay, so you can use all the tools, but only if you are aware of that you are not a pen tester here, you are just a regular user who installed KaliLinux. You can do pen testings, but you should not do that without permission. So apply for the permission there. Here you can see that link, no, not that, this link, copy link address, and here paste and go. So this is the thing actually. So you need to click on request a penetration test, or come down and click on that pen testing request form. You have to fill the big huge form, and if they approve your request, then you can use your KaliLinux to perform pen testings or hackings or something. Okay, so otherwise you can actually use it for like malware kind of stuff. I have did that. Okay, so I used it to create a malware and connecting that. I successfully did that. I'm gonna make a video on that later on the other video, because to make it short. Okay, so that's how you can connect to that, guys. And if you add any ports here actually, so you can also create malwares and you can connect to that. I'm going to show that in another video, not in this. So fire up your KaliLinux, have it ready, and wait for the next video till I show you the another method. Okay, so have a nice day. If you like this video, please like or dislike, and comment what kind of videos you want, and don't forget to subscribe.